Speaking of which, I just rented the movie The Martian to watch this
Yeah,
weekend.
I thought we'd already been there. I thought I saw that in a movie somewhere.
It was great.
Okay, let's quit talking about movies now and let's talk about the bad news.
Well, I don't think
For
it's
those
bad
of us who
news.
want to enjoy the weekend.
Yeah, the weekend is, tomorrow is not going to be a complete washout. I think we're going to be seeing some showers in the morning and then probably get some breaks in the clouds in the afternoon. And then the next round moves in tomorrow night ahead of that storm that comes in on Sunday. So not going to be a complete washout tomorrow, but Sunday does look like it's going to be a little bit wetter. So what we're seeing right now is a beautiful mountain scene, and these mountains should be picking up some snow, especially by Sunday night. At first, it's going to be very slow to generate snow in the mountains because the temperatures are going to be so mild. This is what the computer models are suggesting is going to be the precipitation we're going to get over the next 48 hours or between now through Sunday late afternoon, about 1 inch to 1.25 inches in some of the mountains. Some of that will translate into snow in the mountains, but here in the Treasure Valley, about, I'd say, 3/10, maybe 1/4 to 3/10 of an inch of precipitation is expected by Sunday afternoon for storm total for the weekend. And here's the leading edge of the system that's going to be impacting us tomorrow. You can see it already generating some showers as it approaches the Lake Tahoe area, but it will weaken as it gets a little bit closer. 67 degrees was the high temperature so far today. Amazing how warm it has been. What is the record for this date? 70 degrees set back in 1987. So far, we're 3 degrees shy of tying the record for this date. On the satellite imagery, you can see that there's a lot of moisture that's out there in the Pacific Ocean. One thing for sure, the high pressure that has kept us dry is moving out. That's going to allow this very unsettled and persistently stormy pattern that's out in the Pacific Ocean to start working its way in. So as the trough swings in, it's going to be bringing periods of rain and mountain snow. It really commences in earnest on Sunday, and then we'll be seeing storms about every 2 or 3 days here going into next week, with maybe even a higher frequency of storms toward the end of next week. So watch as the computer models depict that batch of moisture working its way in from the southwest. This is tomorrow morning, a chance of some scattered showers. But in the afternoon, the models say most of that begins to weaken. We could just see a mixture of sunshine and clouds. But then tomorrow night, we start seeing the leading edge of this next storm that approaches, and there it generates a pretty good chance of widespread rain and some lowering mountain snow elevations by Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. All right, so here's the 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley. It's looking good. As far as getting precipitation, this is a favorable pattern. Like to see the temperatures just a touch cooler, though. 63 will be the high tomorrow, a few showers possible. Then on Sunday, we'll say rain is going to be likely, especially during the first half of the day. Cloudy skies on Monday, partly cloudy on Tuesday, then a chance of showers on Wednesday, chance of rain on Thursday and Friday. The mountains will see a few showers here and there tomorrow, with rain changing over to snow by Sunday night, then a few snow showers on Monday, and you get the idea how it stays pretty unsettled from the middle through the latter part of the week. 51-inch base right now at Bogus Basin. We need some more snow up there. Brundage has a 60-inch base, Tamarack 59. Sun Valley has a 43-inch base, a little bit higher at many of the summits. Anthony Lakes, now I checked, they reported 2 inches of new snow in the last 24 hours. And Grand Targhee has a 90-inch base. Almost everybody is starting to compress their snowpack with these warm temperatures. And in closing, I just want to say that one of the things we need to be watching out for is rain on top of snowpack this weekend. Could cause rivers to rise quickly, so something we'll keep you posted on as we go through the weekend.
But we hope that rain in the mountains will quickly turn over to snow by Sunday.
I don't think it's going to happen until Sunday, because I don't think it's cold enough until Sunday.
Okay, well, we'll keep an eye on it.